Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Cle'era, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this twist out on my low porosity hair using Shea Moisture products. Now this is just me deep conditioning my hair right after a shampoo. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
And I do this sort of scrunching method to just make sure I'm really squeezing all of the products into my hair strands. Because I do have low porosity hair, it's just harder for my hair to absorb moisture. So now taking my rat tail comb, I'm just going to section off some hair in the back. Actually, I'm going to use my fingers first because it's a little tangled. And then this back half, I'm going to do 2 twists back there. So the other product that I will be using to twist my hair is Camille Rose's Almond J Twisting Butter. This is absolutely one of my favorite products to style with, and it just smells amazing. So I use about a dime size, and I focus it on my ends. And I'm going to use my Denman brush to detangle. And it's good to have a water bottle handy just in case your hair does get a little dry. And then I'm also going to be using castor oil. I don't know if you can see it. This is the Now brand. And it's just to seal my ends. Okay, and then I'm just going to begin twisting. That's a nice juicy twist. What I do want to do with this twist out is, for a lot of us naturals, it gets pretty poofy at the roots. I don't want that problem, so I'm going to just take a bobby pin and pin that down just like it. And I'm just going to repeat those same steps throughout the rest of my head.
They say humans are social animals. They can't live alone. But you can live pretty well by yourself. I tell you, instead of feeling alone in a group, it's better to have real solitude all by yourself.
Alright you guys, so I have completely finished my twist out finally, and I'm just gonna hope and pray that this comes out exactly how I want it because I have a photo shoot tomorrow. I am just gonna let it air dry for the rest of the night and take it down tomorrow. I may or may not have to sit underneath the dryer. We're just gonna play it by ear, but for now I am just going to let it air dry. Alright y'all, so it's the next morning and my hair is completely dry. I actually did not have to sit underneath the dryer, which is great. So I'm just going to start by putting some coconut oil on my hands and then just unraveling the twists.
You distanced yourself from the whole thing.
And so I pretty much just pull on one part of the twist and just like let it unravel. And then I'm taking my bobby pins out and the clips. Alright you guys, so I have completely untwisted all of the twist. So now what I'm going to do is go back in and just separate each twist and fluff it out. Alright guys, so the twist out is completely done, and now I'm just going to go in with my pick, or you can go in with a wide tooth comb and just pick it out to your fulfilled desire. So I can't find my pick, so I'm just going to use my wide tooth comb, and I'm gently just going to pull and this tug at the roots just to make it a little fluffier, not so flat. I'm just kind of playing with it to get it how I want, get the shape that I want. And then I am going to go with my edge wax to lay my edges. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a headband or a scarf and just wrap it around my head to keep my edges laid. Alright y'all, here is the final result of my twist out. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, but that's okay. We're still gonna rock it. It's still cute. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to make sure you stay updated. Bye!